Presidential spokesperson George Charamba has lashed out at pro-ZANU-PF online activists known as Varakashi for deviating from their core mission by campaigning for controversial businessman KUTYA, warning that such conduct undermines party discipline and President Emerson Mnangagwa's authority. Sanamira mashoko anova kunzi awa Charamba oya achataka vakomana Varakashi over Tagwirei campaign panguva ino achivati, why did you campaign for Tagwirei? Don't subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tipita Manaus Zerimo Blanyo Consciency. Charamba, a key figure in the formation of the Varakashi movement, expressed deep concern over what he described as growing messaging indiscipline among the group's ranks, accusing them of idealizing individuals other than the president and promoting agendas that do not align with the party's official line. In quotes, I am very worried with the turn of events, Charamba said. I was instrumental in the formation and management of Varakashi. That group of ideologically clear and technically savvy cadets were put together to defend the party. Party policies and the decisions, the president as the leader of the party, ZANU-PF, and the activities of its government. Charamba's comments come in a wake of heated internal storm triggered by ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mchangwa public rebuke of Tagwirei. The remarks sparked a defensive outcry from sections of Varakashi who launched coordinated social media campaigns backing the businessman and attacking his critics within the party. But Charamba has made it clear that the Varakashi's loyalty must be singular and unequivocal, directed solely at President Mnangagwa and the ZANU-PF establishment. In quotes, ZANU-PF is a unitary party. It has one president and the first secretary, who is Mnangagwa, is the only person who is the face of the party, to whom all members and affiliates must pledge paramount loyalty, Charamba said. He criticized the emergence of Varakashi offshoots that align themselves with the individuals within the party structure, warning that such splintering creates confusion, multiple agendas, and weakens the core message of the ruling party. His remarks are widely seen as an attempt to rein in factional loyalties and silence a rising tide of support for Tagwirei, who some within the party believe is being positioned for greater political influence, an idea that continues to stir tensions at the highest level of ZANU-PF. Do mamiro zvakaita panguva ine pina comment section medu dzemafuro enyu mati kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.